Convert 25,000 liters to meters cube. We take solution. For us to easily answer this question, we know that the 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. Cubing both sides, this will give us 1 meter. All this cube to be equal to 10 decimeters. All this cube. 1 meter cube simply means we take 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter. And this will be equal to 10 decimeters cube, which is 10 decimeter times 10 decimeter times 10 decimeter. 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter, this will give us 1 meter cube equal to 10 decimeter times 10 decimeter times 10 decimeter. This will give us 1000 decimeter cube. We know that the 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. So it simply means 1 meters cube, which is equal to 1000 decimeters cube, will be equal to 1000 liters. Now, if we take down what we have been given, we have to convert 25,000 liters to meters cube. That means we are changing from a lower unit to a higher unit. This will simply be equal to, we have to divide 25,000 by 1000, and the unit will be meters cube. This will simply give us 25,000 liters to be equal to 25,000 divided by 1000. This will give 25 meters cube. We underline the answer. Therefore, 25,000 liters is simply equal to 25 meters cube. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.